Good afternoon, MMTs. We went long Priceline, and Priceline had a $20 move, $29 move to the upside. And we were short Priceline for the first 2 weeks of January 2015. And it got down to our price target on Friday and this morning, and we had a $29 range to the upside, and this is what the 3 minute chart looks like on Priceline. So it dipped slightly down here at 1,000, and we went straight up. It was a little bit choppy all day, and that's a 3 minute chart. Now, this is a 15-minute chart. We hit those bottoms, and we continue to go up all afternoon, and we hit a super high at 1028 on Priceline. One of the things that I'm going to want to emphasize here is the $1,000 call that expires this Friday. They dropped them down from 2050 to 14. We got in there, and on the opening bell today, we did not sell. We bought more, and we're going to continue to hold it. The call contract at the 1,000 had a superb $16 move. On the Priceline trade, we still kept our call options that closed at super highs. I'm just going to show the next trend line on it. That's going to be 1035. And then we're going to go up to the peak here, where back on this date of 115, actually, we really broke down from that 1043 area and made those long-term bottoms. I'm going to recap the trade right here. Here's the $1,000 call. They dropped it down to $14 from 2050. That's when we were hitting support. As we started to climb higher, we went higher all day long, and you can see the value. So if you had 10 contracts right here, you made exactly $16,000. And that's on the $1,000 call. Also, let me show you the 1005 call on Priceline today. This way you can see both of them. There was 210 contracts traded. We were the most of them. They had closed it and they dropped it down to 1130, and we've had a 100% move. And we're not selling these yet. No, we're not. There will be a bigger move as Priceline will continue to go higher in the morning, and it will also have a gap up in the morning. Priceline will have a gap up. And I'm featuring the $1,000 call, the 1005 call, and then of course we made several highs today, and Priceline was oversold. And so these are the strike prices that we have going. I just want to show the high right here, and then you can take a look. $29 to the upside on Priceline.